people. I don't know how vibes it up thing again. See my paper, so I just pour some oil in a pot people because I do some turkey neck today and some vegetable rice. See my paper? Yes. I see some turkey neck and do. Curry my people. You see the seasoning how people have to steam down with the meat. You know the meat I cook? This I give the flavor of the meat. So we're going to season the pot about 3 times a people. I'm going to pour some on the meat, which is the turkey neck. I'm going to pour this in the oil now. Then we have a curry, call it better pot curry.
Vice President Anthony Hamilton singing on about Charlene, what we dancing a lie with a piece of entry. So we continue. Now just arrive at the building. Dennis and Lee. What we dancing a lie with a piece of
entry. Make it curry burn. Yes people, the curry must burn. You know how it's a burn, it does story like this. Turkey neck again. See my people? Curry turkey neck. Curry turkey neck, my people. Let's see a look, my people. So I'll cover with the people and make him simmer. I must have looked out for wedding anniversary. Yeah. rice.
And now this one. Why some of brother right now? Ruben Studder. Reaching out to our Nigerian people right now. What do I right now? Here we go.
Yes, people say, you know, we need a vegetable rice and our paper. Pour a little oil. Yes, the paper. Please remember, people, it's a Vibes Club kitchen. Yeah, the oil going up the paper. Mix vegetable here. Mix vegetable paper. I get a little ring sauce.
Get my selector Richard feelings with the entry. Yeah. And this one is mashing up the whole wide world. Check MTV for this one.
Yes, people, some rings to off, you know? Yeah. We're going to place him back. Alright, that's the side I season. The seasoning is for the rice pot. That's why I'm warming the oil. So I'm going to parch the seasoning. Yes, my people, so this is how we do it. So we have onion, scallion, no, sorry people, shit. We have onion, thyme, scallion, pepper, and sweet pepper. This one is Scotch bonnet pepper, this one is the sweet pepper. And we have some garlic. So this is how it goes. Wash up because I don't want it to burn. So we do it like that. I'm going to pour your water. Then you're going to add the mixed vegetable. So I'm gonna add a little more water. You put the water as called as to how much rice you're gonna add. I'm gonna do a lot of rice, about 4 pounds of rice, or maybe more. So I need to add a little more water in there. salt people.
Last we have it out to the line, that's on your part. Song entitled I Walk Alone. So it means Fantasia.
Yo boy, get up on the bed.
That's about a teaspoon, people, but I have a big spoon. So this is not a teaspoon. So the amount of salt is
The American Idol last year right now. Baby!
Yes, people, so we're going to cover that and let it boil. When it started boiling up, then we're going to clean the rice. Taking back a look at the turkey neck. You see, people, I add no water as yet. So it's steaming now. I'm stirring it. Remember, people, I don't do curry goat as yet, okay? This is curry turkey neck. So we're gonna leave him there.
Hey boy! Where the people?
I look on the turkey neck, you know. Yes, the people. The turkey neck. Just gonna add some water now. Yes,
Yeah.
You lost that?
One more time, Kevin Evil.
Yes, the people, so I'm going to put in some rice and this rice, people, two type of rice, people, you see me? Brown rice and have white rice.
And Orsha. Yeah.
Baby, how you doing? Think that you're fine, wanna know what you got in mind and then got me feeling like you're the secret of you. Take a shot of this in Patron and it's gonna be up. VIP, they got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling you tonight. She said, holla at your girl, baby, she can see. Pull up, keep it jumping, and that's easy. She said, don't mean to sound impatient, but you got a promise, baby. Tell me again, my baby.
What is it about
People have a season. Turkey neck, people. Take a look on the turkey neck and no people.
Sometimes wanna be your friend, sometimes wanna hug you. Hold hands, hold hands, wanna reconcile. Open up your heart, cause you said I made you feel so good. Way back then, and you all grown up like Rudy.
Yes, my people, so this can take a season and all the people.
We both make good, I do. Anything just to feel your buzz. Why you got me so messed up? I don't know, but you gotta stop screaming. Be a good girl now, turn around and get me some wood. You know you like it like that. You don't have to fight that. Here's a pillow fight.
People, so turkey neck. Please don't forget some water. Yes, some people, some water for them. The people are going to make you see with them. Cook. turkey neck season up. Turkey neck season up, my people. The rice in our pot, my people. Yes, my people, so moving on back to the turkey neck. Have some macaroni. Add a few macaroni. So let's wash them off the paper and put them on the turkey. Yes, some people, so we have over our turkey neck and all.
You jump back me down to the line. First we play my stone dog.
Yes, some people, so see turkey neck
So ladies once more, let me tell you something, baby.
running there. After running them, I can go and cook with them amount of water there. Pour in some mixed vegetable in it. People, so I gotta stay there and cook down the gravy now, my people.
First the one we call John Legend. Oh my God, who will be the entry? Yeah.
So now I go on the rice and all the people.
Sure. What the way to return? I never sung you for the wedding with the fans. They don't store them, never leave when I inch. When I wait long.
See that the paper?
We are round of
Then it
applause.
take the rice. Still already at the paper, but it take time to stay. Some people for your load down.
Reach out to one man, never care right now. I don't know what I can go there.
Some people, so for your load down and I my people. Yes, so I cover up my games. Remember, curry turkey neck I go on my own business. Family and friends.
John, when I need your father. Listen to Sonia.
Woke up this morning, found a letter that
Hey,
she said
Becca.
she tried